Use ChatGPT for keyword research. Keyword research is the backbone of a successful SEO and content strategy. With ChatGPT, you can streamline and enhance your keyword research process, uncovering valuable insights and generating a comprehensive list of keywords. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, represents a remarkable achievement in the field of advanced technology, especially within the domain of artificial intelligence. 10 prompts to use ChatGPT for keyword research. Open ChatGPT official website, chat.openai.com. Prompt 1. I will say, can you suggest keywords for a website about fitness and nutrition? Here are some keywords related to fitness and nutrition that you might consider for your website. Like for fitness, the keywords are exercise routines, workout plan, strength training, cardio workouts. For nutrition, the keywords are healthy eating, balanced diet, nutrient-rich foods, meal planning. For health and wellness, the keywords are mental health and fitness, stress management, sleep optimization, mind-body connection, and many more keywords like this. Prompt 2. I will say, what are some long-tail keywords related to organic gardening? Here are some long-tail keywords related to organic gardening, like organic gardening tips for beginners, natural pest control methods for organic gardens, companion planting guide for organic vegetables, how to create a sustainable organic garden, best organic fertilizers for vegetable gardens, and many more. Prompt 3. I will say, I need keywords for a travel blog focused on adventure destinations. Here are some keywords for a travel blog focused on adventure destinations, like adventure travel, extreme destinations, thrill-seeking vacations, outdoor adventures, and many more. Prompt 4. I will say, generate keywords for a fashion e-commerce store. Here are some keywords for a fashion e-commerce store, like trendy fashion, stylish clothing, fashionable outfits. These keywords can help you target a variety of fashion-related topics and attract potential customers to your e-commerce store. Prompt 5. I will say, what are the trending keywords in the technology industry? Some of the trendy keywords in the technology industry are artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things, cybersecurity, cloud computing, and many more. Prompt 6. I will say, suggest keywords for a beauty and skincare YouTube channel. Here are some keywords for a beauty and skincare YouTube channel, like skincare routine, makeup tutorials, beauty tips and tricks, product reviews, anti-aging skincare, and many more. Prompt 7. I will say, I'm looking for high traffic keywords for a personal finance blog. Here are some high traffic keywords for a personal finance blog, like budgeting tips, saving money strategies, investment advice, retirement planning, and many more. Prompt 8. I will say, generate keywords for a pet accessories online store. Here are some keywords for a pet accessories online store. These keywords can help you target a variety of pet accessory categories and attract pet owners looking for products to enhance their pet's comfort, style, and well-being. Prompt 9. I will say, what are some seasonal keywords for a holiday-themed website? These keywords can help your holiday-themed website cater to specific interests and needs during different seasons and holidays throughout the year. Prompt 10. I will say, suggest keywords for a home improvement and DIY blog. Here are some keywords for a home improvement and DIY blog, like DIY home projects, home improvement tips, interior design ideas, outdoor landscaping projects, and many more. These keywords cover a broad range of topics related to home improvement and do-it-yourself projects, making them suitable for a blog that provides guidance, inspiration, and practical tips for homeowners and DIY lovers. I'm done showing you 10 prompts to use ChatGPT for keyword research. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.